Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on sound recognition on iPhone. But the first thing you do is you tap on settings, scroll down all the way down until you see sound recognition. So we're searching for sound recognition. So if we can't find it, we can simply search for it. Sound recognition. You can see under accessibility. So it was under accessibility. And once you found it, you need 10 megabytes. As you can see, 10 megabytes is required. So you turn it on. Simple. Now what this means is that your iPhone will continuously listen for certain sound, and using on-device intelligence will notify you when sounds may be recognized. Sound recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you may be harmed or injured, in high risk or emergency situations, or for navigation. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to turn on sound recognition on iPhone. Thanks for